The Weber Q1200 portable gas grill delivers surprisingly strong heat from its single burner, giving steaks and burgers a proper sear, even though the grill is compact enough for easy travel and camping. The porcelain-coated cast iron grates hold heat very evenly and add excellent grill marks and flavor, while still being simple to clean after a long day outside. Its cast aluminum body and lid feels solid and durable rather than flimsy, and the taller lid design leaves enough room to handle thicker cuts of meat or even a small whole chicken. The built-in thermometer and finely adjustable burner control make it much easier to keep a steady temperature, whether you are doing quick hot dogs or slower cooks at gentler heat. An electronic push-button ignition, removable drip pan, and folding side tables make day-to-day use and cleanup straightforward, which matters a lot when you are cooking away from a full kitchen. Because it runs on small portable propane cylinders and can also be hooked to a larger stationary tank with an adapter, it works just as well for tailgates and beach trips as it does on a small patio at home.